Robert Kelly. Lord have mercy, Robert Kelly. What's been happening? Let's take a look at the interview first. Ooh. Oh! Oh, you guys are
perfect.
sneaky. Why
That
did
was
you come
perfect.
back to me right there? No, no, no.
That was perfect.
No. I pray for everyone in Jamaica. Today, my prayer is that everyone will be as unbothered as Gail. Yeah. Gee whiz, she's amazing.
Yeah, man. Your mother was school yet in a way where, you know,
Robert?
and she just...
Go on, excellent. You ready?
Yeah, man, all right.
Go.
Suck it up. Yeah, take this every
Dwayne.
day. No food up on the set.
Dwayne.
I'm a can't. Then I look for me. Look for me good.
Dwayne, we need to have a conversation. You can't just be ranting into the camera. She's amazing. But
She's brilliant.
guys, let's be realistic. There's so much proof. There is video evidence now. So it's not even a situation where we can say we're speculating anymore. There's video evidence to say that this has been happening. And I'm gonna ask you guys since you're here, did that look real to you? Did what he did on camera, for the camera, seem real? It looked real to you?
Trapped in the closet. Yeah, you know? Yeah, you heard it.
So it looked like on a music video.
Yeah, man.
And that's what exactly
They had
what
the play
I
over.
thought.
They played over, trapped in the closet, mixed.
While he was
with-
doing it? Oh, wow. We need to see that.
Yeah. Of course.
Oh, my goodness. Achoo, me never even think, but big up yourself. All right, so Gail had a response. We're going to look at that? Are we going to look at that? Okay, well, we'll talk about it a little later. What's next for the trending topics?
Well, I'm still on this because even in this interview, all he kept saying...
In history,
Robert.
Anytime you... How many of you are mommies? I know Camille is a mommy. You are too, chef. How many of you talk to your children like that? When them do something wrong? Sonia? Exactly. That is such a mommy tone right there that tells you cut foolishness.
I don't think my mother even had a tone, you know. She just... Yeah. She always...
Ladies and gentlemen, they're asking you to use the microphone. This is a corporate mingle. We have to air on talking to TV land. All right. Well, so, I mean, I wish him all the best in terms of what happens in his future, but I also would like that justice be served for all of those young ladies. So whatever justice seems to be or works out to be, I hope that happens.
Yeah, yesterday was International Women's Day, so I want to take the time out to just shout out all women because,
thanks.
You know,
I wore Merkel this morning.
That's what I thought about.
I wore Merkel.
She wore the Merkel wig with 3 chain.
Right.
Just because you're fabulous.
Because I felt fabulous.
All right. Okay, no?
Happy Women's Happy International Women's Day, ladies. Belated. You're going to fan me. You're giving me Beyonce breeze.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Okay.
In the catch
all right.
All right. So the RJR Gleaner cross-country invasion 2019 is still going on across the parishes in Jamaica, and they go to Manchester High School today. Yeah. Manchester, please.
Oh, sorry.
Please.
Yay!
Yeah.
You didn't tell me I was supposed to applaud.
Jeez, I missed the cue.
Or I would have.
All right. Meet up with the personalities, win prizes, and have fun with the entire family. And before you get to Manchester, I want to say good morning to the people at the Maypen Market, doing your shopping and all that. Pleasant good morning to you guys.
You used to go down there?
I go there all the time.
Still?
Yeah, man.
Why?
Still my place. I get good produce down there.
Good produce there, curry too?
No, but Maypen people treat me nice.
Oh, that you want. You want niceness. All right, guys, that's it for our trending topics. Let us know how you feel about it on all our social media pages. That's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. No Snapchat.
No Snapchat.